What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to talk about the realistic startup budget for low and no content publishing. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course lays out everything that I did step by step to get to over $1,000 per month within 3 months. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, when it comes to starting a low or no content book publishing business and the startup costs that are involved, well, it all depends on what types of tools that you use. So when I first started, I used completely free tools to get me going. Then as the months went by and I made more royalties, I invested that into a few more tools, which I'll show you that in a minute. So the first one is completely free. This is called Canva. This is where I sometimes create the book interior, and I always create my covers within here. So for this tool is completely free and you can just sign up and get going. Then the second tool that I used was Google Slides. As long as you've got a Gmail account, you can sign up and get a Google Slides account. And then I create some interiors within here as well. So this is free also. And then for my images, I was using Pixabay. Now you've got to be careful when using images from Pixabay because some people are complete bellends, that's an English word, and they like to upload images that they don't actually have the rights to. So you just have to do a little bit of research, which usually takes 2 seconds to see if you're able to use that image. But these 3 tools alone is what got me going. So my realistic starting costs were absolutely zero. So it didn't cost me anything at all to start this because I use free tools to create everything, and then when we upload through Amazon KDP we can do that completely free as well. So startup costs for me were zero. Now as the days and months went by and I started making more royalties, I started investing that into better tools. And which ones were they? Well, one of them is Tangent Templates. Now this is just a one-off payment. I believe it's around $59. If you look around on the internet, you can get a discount for this as well. Now with this, I initially brought it just for the interiors, but there's so much more inside with tools. Well, there's so many more tools within this software. So one of them is actually the listing helper. So when you're logged in, if you have this and come to here, this listing helper is just like an autofill tool. So you can set up all these different listing helpers. So you can have ones for certain niches where you can put your title, your subtitle, your description and all your keywords. Then when you go to upload another book within that certain niche, it's going to autofill everything. So it's going to autofill your title, your subtitle, your keywords and your description, and all you have to do is change a few little bits around and bam, you're done. So this listing helper has actually helped me personally cut my listing time in half. So now, mainly because of this and another tool that I recommend within Printing Profits, because of this I can now upload around 10 books in around 15 minutes. So if you've started low content book publishing and you're making some royalties, go and invest in better tools. Then the other tool that I now completely love is called Creative Fabrica, if that's going to load up. So right here is now where I get all of my graphics. And when you sign up for this, you can purchase the graphics one by one, or you can buy their plan. Now their plan, I believe the one that I've got is around $19 per month. Pardon me. and it gives me access to every single graphic on this website, and it gives me all the rights to actually go and create other graphics out of that graphic, if you know what I mean. So these two tools are ones that I paid for because I only got so far with the free tools. You can carry on doing the free tools, but when you pay for graphics, you can create such better quality designs. So the startup costs are completely zero or less than $100 if you want to start using paid tools straight away. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.